There are two mounting options. At the fork crown, or at the handlebar. In the box you will find the lamp, 2 bolts and nuts, 4 washers and a rubber shim, as well as 2 brackets for different mounting options. Use the smaller bolt, along with 2 washers and a nut, to mount the right angle bracket onto the lamp as shown. Insert the shim into the clamp and use scissors to trim it to the right length. Use the remaining washers, bolt, and nut, along with a clamp to mount the lamp to the handlebar as shown. Mount the arm onto the lamp using the longer bolt, a washer and a nut. Carefully remove the brake assembly. Make sure to retain the washer. Next, slide the lamp bracket and washer onto the bolt as shown. Carefully push the bolt through the fork and attach the bolt. Do not fully tighten the bolt just yet. Pull the brake lever and firmly tighten bolt to align the brake caliper. Remove the protective plastic by pulling on the tab.